In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a list in Hubspot. We'll focus on the simplest method, manually adding contacts to a static segment, sometimes also called a static list. This is really handy when you already know exactly which contacts you want grouped together and you don't need the list to update automatically based on filters or properties. First, start by logging into your Hubspot account and heading to the main navigation at the top. Hover over or click on the CRM section, then choose Contacts. This will open your main contacts dashboard, where you can see all the people stored in your database. On this page, you'll see a table of contacts with checkboxes on the left side of each row. These checkboxes are how you'll choose which contacts to add to your list. Take a moment to scroll through or use the search bar at the top to find specific people you want to include. When you see a contact you want to add, click the checkbox next to their name. You can select just one contact, several, or even an entire page of contacts, depending on how many you want to add at once. If you're planning a specific campaign, it can help to filter your contacts first, then select the ones that match your criteria. Once you've selected your contacts, look for the More drop-down menu that appears above the table. Click on More, and from the options that appear, choose Add to Segment or Add to List, depending on the wording in your account. This tells HubSpot that you want to place the selected contacts into a specific static segment. A panel or pop-up will appear, asking you to search for or select the segment name. Start typing the name of the static list you want to use, and HubSpot will show matching options. Click on the correct segment to highlight it. If you manage a lot of lists, be sure to double-check you're choosing the right one, so you keep your database organized. After you've selected the segment, click the Add button to confirm. HubSpot will process your request and add all the contacts you selected into that static segment. Depending on how many contacts you chose, this might take a moment, but usually it's very quick. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added your contacts to a static list in HubSpot using manual selection.